Welcome to Foodtastic. Today we are going to make chocolate sandwich. Take 2 slices of bread, apply the chocolate spread inside of the sandwich. If you don't have the chocolate spread, then crush the dark chocolate and spread over the bread. Now add crushed almonds and cashew nuts. If you like the cheese, then add some grated cheese, otherwise leave it. Close this and apply butter on outside of the sandwich. Now we will see 3 methods of toasting sandwich. First we will see how to make it in dosa pan. Heat a dosa pan. Now place the sandwich and press it gently. Cook around 30 seconds on each side. Another method is electric griddle. Preheat the electric griddle for 3 minutes if it is 1000 watts. Otherwise preheat around 5 minutes. Now place the sandwich in the griddle. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Another method of cooking is take place in the oven. Keep the sandwich in the grill rack. Set it as grill mode. Cook around 4 to 5 minutes in high temperature. Take it out and flip the sandwich, then cook for 4 to 5 minutes. You can sprinkle some chocolate syrup and nuts over the sandwich for extra flavor. Cut it diagonally. Use serrated knife for cutting the sandwich. Now the chocolate sandwich is ready. Please try this at your home. Post your feedback, like and share the video. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.